why we're making cake at 9:18 at night. Come on, so we can tell them why we're making cake.
We're making cake.
Come.
We're making cake.
Tell them why we're making cake. Come on. Come on. Tell them why we're making cake.
We're making cake. We're making cake.
Making cake because you went to the potty.
Yeah.
Like a big girl.
Yeah.
We're gonna make some cake. And she's been asking for cake for like 2 weeks now. So, we're gonna give the girl some cake. Is she gonna be able to sleep? I don't know.
Absolutely.
But, like a regular Betty Crocker cake, okay? We're not doing nothing from scratch over here.
You're making cake.
So, we're gonna be making a chocolate cake. Are you ready for this amazing chocolate cake? This is the best chocolate cake that you could ever have in your life.
Yeah, that's cake.
Okay, she's ready for the chocolate cake. So, babe, we're gonna get the ingredientes.
3 eggs.
So, 3 huevos. What do
we?
we need? What do we need?
Water.
Water. Yes, we need water. High five. What else do we need?
Sugars.
There is sugar in there. What else do we need?
Butter. This.
What else do we need?
Eggs.
Eggs. We need eggs. High five. Yeah, we need. How many eggs?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 eggs. We need 3 eggs, but she wasn't far off. And then this is oil. We need oil. We need oil for the cake. Okay, we're gonna mix it like all regular, okay? We're not gonna do no stand mixer. For the Betty Crocker. No, that's too much.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah.
Here you go, yeah? Here's the eggs.
And that way she can mix it.
Oh, there
You got
is
the
egg.
eggs?
One.
You ready? Can you get?
No!
1,
No.
2.
No. No.
What was that? Oh, he thinks he's funny! Oh, he thinks he's funny!
It's just ice.
You really threw ice? You're hilarious. I thought he was really throwing eggs up in here. Oh my.
Get up here so you can crack it.
Okay. No, don't put the eggs in there, germs. Go ahead, crack it. In there. Oh. Hold on.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Hey, yeah, because she got egg on her fingers. So. You know how she is.
Wait. Don't be flinging that. Stop.
It don't work that way.
That's not.
All right.
Not light, baby.
So, we have a professional egg cracker.
Look at one. There's a one. Just a one.
Yeah.
One, yeah. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8.
All right, so we need a cup and 1/4 of water. Oops, yeah, come and mix
1
it.
cup, 1/4.
Yeah. Of water. This is about to be the best cake ever. The best cake ever. The best cake. The best. I wish we had icing, but we don't. Go ahead, mix them eggs. What did you preheat the oven to?
350.
It says 325.
Oh, that's
Just kidding, 350.
do it, baby.
Have her put in the water. Hey, I told you he was a professional egg beater. Huh? You're tired? Faster?
Yeah.
Put the water.
The water in there. Good job.
You did it. You still have a little bit more.
This one too. Got it.
Perfect.
Now mix it.
High five.
Give mommy a high five. One more.
Half a cup of vegetable oil. You're mixing it. Now mix it.
Mix it.
You mixed it?
You mixed it.
You
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Don't taste it. Don't taste it yet. The cake batter. And you gonna mix. Mix. You gotta mix it, okay? You smell that? Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake.
I love. I'm gonna put those in there.
You know, maybe we should have done the stand mixer. I'm not about this whisking life. Oh, it's looking delicious. It's looking delicious. We have the master chef with the chocolate chips here. She's very serious about her craft. Every time that she like helps, the food turns out even better. Even if she like sprinkles a little bit of extra whatever it is, like salt, most of the time it's salt, it comes out even better.
Just take it and tip it over.
Baby, it's the technique that she's doing. It's all about the technique. Sprinkle, sprinkle, dab. You like making cakes?
Mm-hmm.
It's fun?
Yeah. It's fun. Like, done.
All done. Put all the chocolate chips.
That's the chips.
All done. No. Papi's gonna pour it in.
No, baby, don't tip it.
I have you. No. Look, there. Look, look.
Don't stick your finger in there. I know you want to stick your finger in there and taste it, but it has raw eggs. You can't do that. Yeah, it has raw eggs. You have to wait till it cooks. 13 by 9, so 30 to 35 minutos. So she loves bubbles. So they only got her a bubble gun. Which obviously it doesn't have the bubble thing right now, but she just likes to do that and walk around the house. Sounds like she's mowing the lawn or something. So we're gonna do this life update now. And I feel like since Layla's here, it'll be a little bit easier to talk about it because that way we won't cry. At least I don't think so. And my mascara is not waterproof. So yeah, and Layla's here. So how do I start?
Well, first, I found out that you were pregnant.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be a lot easier because I have to make sure she's not doing anything crazy. So, okay. So, for starters, we were pregnant.
Was there some sort of like event?
Super Bowl. Super Bowl.
This is-
Super Bowl, because I decided to tell you guys because they plan to have a lot of wine, like a wine tasting, wine sampling,
Give it up.
and a charcuterie board. So obviously when you're pregnant you can't have that. So I decided to tell them. I already knew, I think for like a week I already knew, but I didn't like tell them. But yeah, so I was 10 weeks. Also, pause. I was really sick, okay, throughout this whole time. So I initially, stop, Layla. I initially wanted to record all of it, but I was not myself. Everything smelled horrible. And I know like that's a thing of pregnancy, but everything, like when I say everything, like even my clothes stunk to me. They all smelled weird. What happened? It all had, everything had a scent to it. And it all smelled the same, like her poop, my clothes, myself, food, everything had the same scent. So obviously like I didn't really have that much of an appetite, and then I was very nauseous. It's definitely making it easier to talk about it. So yeah, so I was really sick. So that's why I didn't post how I wanted to. Okay, so she's gonna repeat everything I'm saying. Yeah, I was really sick. I was really sick. So that's another reason why I didn't think anything like that was gonna happen. Because that's one of the things that they tell you, like if you're really sick, then you must be really pregnant. So like, you know? Yeah. So when it happened, I was 10 weeks. So it was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago now.
April 3rd.
April 3rd.
It was a month, exactly a month after my birthday.
Yeah. So it was very painful, and I had an idea of like that could be a possibility of like what was happening, because I was getting cramps, but it just started getting worse and worse to the point where I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle it. So we went to the hospital, and even at the hospital I was kind of hopeful that it was probably like something else that was going on, but unfortunately they confirmed it. And even after they confirmed it, I was still kind of like, well, maybe the baby's still in there, because whenever I went to my doctor, I was hoping still to like see something or see the baby. But yeah, no. So it hurts, yeah, it hurts. So gotta go to the doctor. You have to go to the doctor. So that's why I have been missing in action. Even on Instagram I wasn't posting. Like I would reshare something, but it was like that's all I was doing is like resharing and barely there. So yeah, now I've kind of accepted it, because babe, I don't know where you threw it. In the beginning, obviously it's really hard, and it's still really hard.
In the first couple days,
I was numb. I was in denial. yeah, I don't know. That's obviously never happened to me, so I was very shocked. I was very shocked. And it sucks because even though it's early, 10 weeks is still really early, but it's still a very long time. Yeah, as soon as you find out that you're pregnant, you get really excited.
Mommy, are done?
No, we still have a lot left for the cake to. So yeah, like as soon as you find out, you get really excited. You start planning. You start saying, "Wow, for Christmas, we'll have a baby." But
Look at this. There.
I think the hardest part was her because she was really excited.
Okay.
I don't know what you're saying. OMG, you're saying OMG? OMG. Raul and OMG. So
Yeah, the hardest part was the first couple days.
Bobby?
Just getting through that.
Bobby, you guys see Howard?
in
You see Howard.
her excitement,
Bobby?
because she would rub my belly,
The mask.
she would kiss the belly. So the reason why I wanted to update is because it just felt weird not talking about it and then just coming back to life like nothing happened, and that's a very tragic thing
It's dirty.
to happen.
Yeah.
It's super dirty. Ew, yeah.
Look, Bobby, it's dirty.
I see it, baby.
So yeah, we also got tattoos. Mine is covered, but so we are thinking of naming the baby,
It's the date.
but that's the due date. That's when the little
And then
baby
I
was
got
supposed to be here.
more added on. Still healing.
The cake is ready.
Huh?
The cake is ready.
Huh?
The cake is ready.
Bobby, the cake is ready.
Get ready.
The cake is ready. The cake is ready. Oh, it still looks really pretty. Ooh, look at that.
It's not jiggly.
Oh, it's good. Hey, it's good. That's it. It's good. It's great.
Just stay with it. Gotta get my mask of tools.
Ooh. Smells delicious.
Don't touch, baby. It's hot.
Yeah, you can't touch it because it's very hot, okay?
Really hot.
You can smell the chocolate chips. You're gonna flip it. And then you can see what he's doing. There you go. Ooh. Nah, hit it. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. No? Oh no! Oh no!
Nothing happened.
Whoops. Man.
No,
It's not hot. It's not hot. It's not hot. What's recording?
It's not the best cake ever. It's just not sweet. It's not that sweet.
get your mouth for the down.
You didn't like it? No.
I'll do that.
You want to throw up? You want to throw up?
Yeah.
Maybe with ice cream. With ice cream, it'll taste better. Yeah.
Girl, you made the cake.
Maybe it was the salt.
Thank you, Marty. Real cake. Special cake
That's
ever.
hilarious. Do you want a corner or a regular piece?
Corner. No.
Regular piece?
No, this.
No, you're gonna have cake and ice cream together. Just watch, girl. Mind blown. Look, you got cake. And then you say you want this one? You want this one?
Yeah.
You really don't need any sugar. Alright. Hold on. Stop it. Hold on, let me show them my how I fixed mine. So mine, I put some caramel. So this one is Arequipe, it's Colombian. It's like
This.
legit.
I'm gonna. This
And then-
is there.
Hold on, Layla. And then for ice cream, I'm using this cookie crumble peanut butter brittle. I'm gonna continue to eat this cake, and then I don't know how you gonna get cake, but I'm eating this one. What else? Yeah. Delicious. Shout out to Layla for using the potty. That's what I'm having cake.
It's not bad. $300.
Bye.
So we're gonna close out the video now because she's been so eager to say bye. Thank you for watching on celebrating Layla using the potty, even though it's like we're still not anywhere where we need to be, but at least she sat on there because she's, you know, she's been very scared of the potty, even though she has a Minnie Mouse seat cover thingy. So, you know, gotta celebrate it. And yeah, the little life update on where and how I've been. So I feel like now I can upload like regular, because I have videos to upload, but it just it felt weird not addressing it for myself. So yeah, and he's finally eating cake. He's finally eating cake.
I thank you, Bill. And happy birthday. Okay.
It's everybody's birthday. She likes to say happy birthday to everybody. So, but over
Mommy?
here, you gotta talk to here. You gotta talk to here.
Talk to here. Talk to here.
Dile ciao.
Ciao.
See you on the next vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
I know we already closed out the video, but you gotta see this. Okay. All of these round ones and all of these pretty shapes. I think we even have a heart back there. Yeah, we got a heart. But you chose this one.
Me.
This fine delicacy.
Me.
Bobby.
Me.
Bobby.
Yeah, you.
You Martin, a happy birthday cake. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, birthday cake.
Sir.
Birthday cake.